and today we are back with scrap timber again. I'm going to try and catch up on this over the next couple of days. So we've done masterboard, floating pocket, specimen slide and altered postcards. So today we are making homemade washi tape. If you're anything like me, I love washi tapes. I have quite a vast collection, all colour sorted, but I'm not going to use those today. Today I'm going to make my own, and in true Blue Peter style. Here's some I made earlier. So I made this for a different project. I think it was for my discarded project actually, but because it's music paper and the background is music paper, I'm not going to use that today. What I am going to do is show you how to make washi tape. So for my way of making it, I need some parcel tape, or you could just use sellotape. I need some random magazine pages. I've got some bright colour ones here, and I will need some water in a bit. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to gather together some magazine pages that I like, and some other book pages, and then I'll come back and show you how to make washi tape. Okay, so after peeling off the back of each of the tapes, I've left them to dry overnight. Some of them have retained some of their sticky, and now it's time to use them to collage. I had made some other ones that I had made for my discarded journal. So these are some clematis that I image transferred onto parcel tape. So we're going to use those as well because the yellow and the purples go really nicely together. Just get rid of the tea towel. And then let's grab our book. So this will be a nice quick one. So I've kept the ones that I hadn't washied on. And let's just start by sticking them down. So I'm going to just arrange them on the page. So I quite like that one to start. I have got my glue stick if they need a little bit of help. Yeah, let's put a little bit of help on them. I don't want them lifting off and falling out of the book. Quite like that one. And what you can then do is you can cut them to size. The ones that had creased, you do get like the crease still on the tape, but I think it just adds to the effect. Let's go in with some of this. So what I'm also going to do is cut down and make it slightly thinner. I quite like the translucent effect of the tape, in that it gives us you quite a nice effect actually. Okay, let's go in with this yellow one. I am slightly overlapping them. I'm doing that on purpose, but you can still see the background through, which is quite nice. Let's use this one because this one's got some really nice colour combinations. So I'm going to cut that one up. It's done itself into a point, but that's okay. I never worry about these things. Never worry about these things too much. I quite like this one. And then let's use some of these clematis. Again, are lovely. Let's go with, I'm going to go with the darker ones because I think they'll show up a little bit more. And then to keep these, to store them, I could just stick them onto some acetate. That will probably work. Or you just stick them shiny side to the back and they kind of stay anyway. Let's go in there with that one. Okay, so we've got a little bit of space here. Let's do, what should we do? What should we do? What should we do? Let's do this purple one here. And cut this one down the middle to create a slightly longer effect. just trim up the edges. None of this will go to waste because it'll end up going on my scrap rolls, the little bits that are left over. It's all just digging to me. And then the other way I could make some washi tape is to just use simple masking tape and my alcohol markers and just draw on the tape. So I'm just going to tear off a bit of tape. And you can see it kind of has that washi tape translucence anyway. And then using my alcohol markers, let's get a nice... where is it? I've got like an old pink, that one. Just going to and again I could stick this onto acetate so that I can draw over it. It just gives you that little bit more washi tape. Pick a nice deep yellow. And to go around that, I'm just going to use my trusty black pen. I love these pens. I get them from Home Bargains and they're just beautiful fine liners because they're like a gel pen, but they write like a biro, so they cover really nicely. And then we have it. Washi. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe and all the other things you do to help me grow. And we'll be back with the next prompt later. Thanks for watching.